And a simple one I want to teach you. The melody is very simple. So mi, fa, fa, so fa, mi, mi. Do, bovi, do, bovi. You see? Very beautiful lullaby. The chords are very simple. I'm in the key of A, and I'm using just 5 chords: A, D, E, B minor, F sharp minor. What I do is very simple. I try playing the melody on the chord. So mi. That can be done on chord 1. So mi. And the next line is to go to D. So mi, fa on D, fa, or it can be B minor, fa. Okay, so mi, fa. I like B minor, or both can be used anyway. Do, bovi. Then you go to E and get do, bovi. So fa, mi, do. So fa, mi, do on E. So fa, mi, do. So, do, bovi. Da. You put one hand here to represent the A. So, and then this will play the so. Mi, so, mi, fa, re. Mi, so, mi, fa, re. So, mi, single note. Mi, so. Then mi, second string, fa, re. Mi, so, mi, fa, re. Then so fa, mi, do, re, mi, fa, re. Mi, do, re, mi, fa, re. So mi, do, re, mi, that on F sharp minor. Mi, do, re, mi, fa, re, to create some variations. Mi, do, re, mi, fa, re, ti, re, do, on E, ti, re, on A, ti, re, on E, and then do back to A. Some interlude in. And that is, I'm using duet do. So you can hold do and la. Do on the first string, la on the 4th string. Do, la, ti, la, so, fa, mi. This is simple. Do, la, ti, la, so, fa, mi. Then that's what the bass is playing. La, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do. 2 times. Then you with the melody. This is very beautiful and very simple. My name is George Ankuma Mensah, aka G Spratz. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, what are you waiting for? And I do teach online, so you can pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. Wherever you are on this continent, it's possible. Give me a call, text me, or I have a website which is coming out soon. And on my website, you can subscribe for monthly, weekly, yearly guitar programs. I'm going to share the website here in the description, so you can subscribe to learn. Okay? Leave your comment, share, describe our page to others, and then don't forget to press on the notification bell, so the moment we upload any new video, you'll get it. Okay? See you again and soon. Toot toot boy.